Hello students, today we are going to discuss next topic of lesson 3rd, that is a mole concept. Let us take the example here of reaction which is between hydrogen and oxygen. In this reaction, two molecules of hydrogen combine with one molecule of oxygen and they will form two molecules of water. Second point is that 4U of hydrogen molecule combine with 32 U means atomic mass of oxygen molecule to form 36 U means whose atomic mass is 36 U. So, from this equation, it is clear that the quantities of substance can be characterized by its mass or the number of molecules. Therefore, it is convenient to refer the quantity of a substance in terms of number of its molecules or atom rather than its mass. So, a new unit which is known as mole, which was introduced by Wilhelm Oswald in 1896. A substance may be considered as heap of atoms or molecules. So what can we define about the molecule? A mole of particle is defined as the amount of the substance which contains the same number of particles as there are say 12 atoms in 12 grams. If we want to say in mole in terms of number, so what is mole in terms of number? A mole of particle is defined as the amount of substance which contain Avogadro number of particle. Suppose if anybody will say, I have bought 1 dozen mangoes. So 1 dozen means there are 12 mangoes. If anybody will say, I have bought 1 dozen apples, so we can say there are 12 apples. So, same like this we are using for atoms, molecules and ions, we are using one term, that is a 1 mole. 1 mole, if anybody will say 1 mole of atom, 1 mole of molecule, 1 mole of ion, then we can say 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms, maybe molecules or maybe ions. So, this number 6.022 into 10 raised power 23, this number is also called Avogadro number and it is denoted by NO. So students, that's it for now. We will discuss next topic in next video.